Hello class 9 student, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home and enjoy winter mornings. So student, today I am going to teach you a second last portion of chapter number 14, Natural Resources. So student, in our previous class we learnt about biochemical cycle and water cycle. Today I am going to teach you about the nitrogen cycle, importance of the nitrogen and different phases of nitrogen cycle. So student, take out your book and take one pencil with you so you can underline the important points. Alright? So let's start. Okay, first we discuss about the nitrogen cycle. The nitrogen cycle refers to the passage of nitrogen in atmosphere where it transforms from simple element and form to complex molecule and vice versa. Alright student, so you all know that 75% of nitrogen present in the atmosphere. Alright, so सबसे ज़्यादा abundant कौन सी गैस environment में present है? Nitrogen gas. Alright. So, what is the importance of nitrogen and what is the role of nitrogen cycle? Alright, so we discuss in this part. So, do you know that the nitrogen is very important for the earth surface and nitrogen is not directly used by the plants as well as animals from their breathing or their daily activities. Okay, यानी हम breathing के साथ जैसे कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड ऑक्सीजन गैस ऑक्सीजन गैस को इनटेक करते हैं, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस इज रिलीज. सिमिलरली नाइट्रोजन गैस डू नॉट यूज बाय द ब्रीथिंग. ऑलराइट, सो एंड प्लांट्स आल्सो कैनॉट यूज नाइट्रोजन व्हिच इज प्रेजेंट इन द एटमॉस्फेयर. सो नाइट्रोजन इज फर्स्ट फिक्स्ड बाय द some special bacteria which is called rhizobium bacteria. Alright, so this fixed nitrogen which is converted into nitrogenous substances, okay, and after that this nitrogen is used by the plants and by the plants animal use the nitrogen. Alright student, so nitrogen cycle is very important, alright, because nitrogen is not directly used by the plants as well as animals. Alright, so first we discuss the importance of nitrogen. It is present in abundant 78% of the air and it is essential part of protein and amino acid. Okay students, so underline, protein is important part of nitrogen is an important part of protein and amino acid, and therefore the main components is DNA and RNA. Alright, what is DNA and RNA? We discuss in the chapter number 5. Alright, so प्रोटीन को सिंथेसाइज करने के लिए और एमिनो एसिड्स, ओके, प्रोटीन के जो सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म है उसे हम कहते हैं एमिनो एसिड. ओके, सो 24 डिफरेंट टाइप के एमिनो एसिड्स आर मिक्स टुगेदर एंड दे मेक अ प्रोटीन. सो प्रोटीन और एमिनो एसिड्स की सिंथेसाइज के लिए नाइट्रोजन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर प्लांट्स. ऑलराइट, so it is common element found in alkaloids and urea. Okay, nitrogen is commonly found in alkaloids and urea. Alright student, so you know that why the nitrogen gas is important for us. Alright, now what is nitrogen cycle? Nitrogen gas makes 78% of atmosphere and nitrogen is also part of many molecular essential for life like protein and nucleic acid means DNA and RNA and some vitamins. Nitrogen is found in the biological important compounds such as alkaloid and urea too. Nitrogen is thus an essential nutrient for all living organisms and life would be simple if all this life form would use the atmospheric nitrogen directly. Okay, अगर एटमॉस्फेरिक नाइट्रोजन को हम डायरेक्टली यूज कर पाते, दैट इज वेरी गुड फॉर अस कि हमें डायरेक्ट नाइट्रोजन या प्रोटीन अवेलेबल हो रहा है. ओके, तो जो हमारी प्रोटीन की डेफिशिएंसी हम अदर सब्सटेंस से यानी एग, मिल्क एंड अदर सब्सटेंस से कंप्लीट करते हैं, उसकी रिक्वायर्ड नहीं होती, बिकॉज वी इनटेक डायरेक्टली नाइट्रोजन एंड नाइट्रोजन आर यूजफुल फॉर सिंथेसिस ऑफ प्रोटीन एंड एमिनो एसिड. ओके, however, other than a few form of bacteria, life forms are not able to convert the comparatively inert nitrogen molecule into form like nitrate and nitrites. Okay, these are the nitrogen forms, alright, which can be taken up and used to make the required molecule. Alright, so some special type of bacteria is present which is convert the nitrogen into nitrates and nitrites. Alright, so these nitrogen fixing bacteria may be free living or be associated with some species of dicot plant. Underline, nitrogen fixing bacteria may be free living or associate with some species of dicot plants. Okay, dicot means which having a two cotyledons. Okay, in the seed they having a two cotyledon like a groundnut. Okay, जैसे कि हम देखते हैं any of the pulses जिसको हम two parts में divide कर सकते हैं. So these type of plants is known as dicot. Alright, so nitrogen fixing bacteria, some of the bacteria are free living and some are found in the different plants roots. Alright, so we say that the some bacteria may be free living and some are associated with the other species. Alright, so most common the nitrogen fixation bacteria are found in the roots of leguminous. Underline, now question may rise, in which plant family the rhizobium bacteria grow? So your answer is leguminous. Alright, so generally the plants which give us pulses are the leguminous plants. Alright, in special structure called root nodules. Okay, so inside nitrogen fixation bacteria are present inside the root nodules of the leguminous plants. Alright, so other than these bacteria, the only other manner in which the nitrogen molecule is converted to nitrate to nitrite is by a physical process. Okay, by the physical yani lightning occurring or the other reasons which is present in the environment. Alright, during lightning, the high temperature or pressure, the atmospheric nitrogen is converted into the oxides of the nitrogen. Alright, so these oxides dissolve in the water whenever the rain is coming and the nitric and nitrous acids are fall on the earth's surface and then they utilized by the various life forms. Okay, so two process is completed for the fixation of nitrogen. First one is the by the process of the leguminous plant families. Inside the leguminous plants bacteria is present which is known as rhizobium bacteria, and second physical process by the lightning. Alright, what happened to the nitrogen once it is converted into form that can be taken up and used to make nitrogen containing molecules? So plants generally take up nitrate and nitrites and convert them into amino acid which are used to make protein. Alright student, so whenever the nitrogen is converted into nitrate and nitrite, then plant absorb this nitrate and nitrite by the roots and they convert the nitrogenous substance into the amino acid, and the amino acid is used to make the protein by the plant body. Alright, so some other biochemical pathways are used to make the other complex components containing nitrogen. These protein and other complex component is subsequenced and consumed by the animals. So whenever the plant is used amino acid and then they convert into protein and other protein substances and this is then used by the animals. Okay, whenever any of the animal eat the plant product, then they also take a nitrogenous substance or protein and they fulfill their use of the protein. Alright, once the animal or plant died, other bacteria in the soil, okay, rather than the rhizobium only fix the atmospheric nitrogen, but inside the soil other bacteria is also present which convert the dead plants or animals and convert their various component of nitrogen back into the nitrate and nitrite or a different type of bacteria convert the nitrate and nitrite into elements of nitrogen. ओके, सो जो सॉइल के अंदर दूसरे बैक्टीरिया प्रेजेंट होते हैं वो अगेन नाइट्रेट और नाइट्राइट को नाइट्रोजन में कन्वर्ट करने का वर्क कंप्लीट करते हैं. Thus, there is a nitrogen cycle in nature in which nitrogen passes from its element from to the environment into simple molecule in the soil and water, which get convert more complex molecule in living beings and back again to the simple nitrogen. Alright, so this is the nitrogen cycle. Alright, so I explain you with the help of the diagram. Okay, so this is the nitrogen in the atmosphere, यानी जो हमारी एटमोस्फियर में नाइट्रोजन प्रेजेंट है 78%, दिस इज द नाइट्रोजन. सो नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन बैक्टीरिया विच इज प्रेजेंट इन द प्लांट्स, ओके, it means present in the green plants, or ammonification they convert them into ammonia, nitrate, nitrites, okay, or whenever the plant is dead they again denitrification and send to the atmosphere. Second way, nitrification, atmosphere and industrial fixation means sometime then the lightning is occur, then the nitrification is also occur and they convert into the nitrate, and after the animal and plants dead they again convert into the atmosphere. Sometime green plants eat by the animals also use them for making ammonia and their body convert them nitrite and nitrate, and whenever the animal is dead then they again denitrification and send to the atmosphere. Okay, so this is the very simple way of nitrogen cycle. Now what are the different phases? Okay, कैसे एक sequentially नाइट्रोजन जो होती है साइकिल में कंप्लीट होती है. ओके, so first point we discuss nitrogen fixation. Okay, so nitrogen generally exists in the inherent form, but in order to be associated by the most living organism, it must be converted into the organic form. Okay, this process is converting nitrogen into organic form is called nitrogen fixation. Okay, what we call nitrogen fixation, the process conversion of nitrogen into organic form, यानी नाइट्रेट एंड नाइट्राइट में कन्वर्ट करने के प्रोसेस को हम क्या कहेंगे? नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन. ऑलराइट, देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ नाइट्रोजन फिक्सेशन. फर्स्ट इज बायोलॉजिकल एंड सेकंड इज फिजिकल. ओके, फर्स्ट वी डिस्कस बायोलॉजिकल. The biological nitrogen fixation process take place with the help of certain bacteria which is present in the soil and the roots of the plants. Of sometime they also alive associate, yani sometime the bacteria is free living and some bacteria which is associated with the leguminous plants roots. Alright, so these microorganisms known as nitrogen fixation microorganism या nitrogen fixation bacteria. Okay, so they convert nitrogen into nitrate and nitrite. For example, rhizobium named bacteria and cyanobacteria called Anobiena are nitrogen fixation bacteria. Okay, so generally we use Anobiena word for the nitrogen fixing bacteria. Okay, so rhizobium and cyanobacteria are the example of nitrogen fixation bacteria which fix atmospheric nitrogen and convert into nitrate and nitrite. Clear? So this is the biological process. Now second one is the physical nitrogen fixation. First, natural nitrogen fixation. Other things are allowed nitrogen fixation is lighting. First we discuss by the bacteria. Second process is lighting. High temperature and high pressure on the earth due to rising of lightning which result the formation of nitrogen and atmosphere की oxygen, they react to form nitrogen oxide. Whenever the lightning is occur, when the high temperature और high pressure की वजह से atmosphere की nitrogen oxygen के साथ react करके nitrogen oxide में convert होती है. Alright, so these oxide dissolve with the water whenever the rain is occur. Okay, they are converted into nitric acid and which fall on the land along with the rainfall. Clear? Industrialization. Industrial process such as certain of the ammonia and nitrogen rich fertilizer also lead to the nitrogen fixation because we directly mix them with the mix to the soil. Now nitrification. Okay, in the picture of the nitrogen fixation we discuss about nitrification. So the ammonia present in the soil is converted into nitrate and nitrite by the bacteria. This process is called nitrification. Okay, so who do this? This do by the Nitrobacter or nitrification bacteria. Now assimilation, the various nitrogen compound is utilized by the plant or animal and plants form amino acid with these nitrate and nitrite. यानी जब plants in nitrate और nitrate का use करके उसे ammonia acid में convert करता है, so we call them assimilation. Okay, and ammonia used by the plant for making a protein, और दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड एज एसिमिलेशन. यानी रूट से उन्हें क्या मिला? नाइट्रेट एंड नाइट्राइट. उसे प्लांट्स ने अमोनिया एसिड में कन्वर्ट एमिनो एसिड्स में कन्वर्ट किया और एमिनो एसिड्स का यूज करके प्लांट्स ने प्रोटीन बनाया. सो इस प्रोसेस को हम क्या कहेंगे? एसिमिलेशन. ऑलराइट. नाउ अमोनिफिकेशन. ऑलराइट. सो जब प्लांट एंड एनिमल डेड हो जाते हैं और एक्सक्रीट वेस्ट द नाइट्रोजन प्रेजेंट इन द ऑर्गेनिक मैटर विच एंटर द सॉइल, जो decomposes present in the soil which break down the nitrogenous component, means प्रोटीन को एमिनो एसिड में ब्रेक डाउन करेंगे और इसी प्रोसेस को हम क्या बोलेंगे? अमोनिफिकेशन. पहले हमने किया नाइट्रिफिकेशन यानी अमोनिक एसिड से नाइट्रोजन में कन्वर्ट किया. ना उसका अपोजिट अमोनिफिकेशन यानी नाइट्रोजन को अमोनिक एसिड में कन्वर्ट किया. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल बेसिली, क्लाइस्ट्रीडियम आर अमोनिफिकेशन बैक्टीरिया. ओके, अगेन डी नाइट्रिफिकेशन. पहले हमने पढ़ा नाइट्रिफिकेशन यानी अमोनिया को नाइट्रेट और नाइट्रिक एसिड में कन्वर्ट करना, और अब उसका अपोजिट करेंगे यानी वो बैक्टीरिया जो नाइट्रेट और नाइट्रेट को नाइट्रोजन में कन्वर्ट करते हैं. ओके, सो डी नाइट्रिफिकेशन. इन वेट सॉइल इट बिकम डिफिकल्ट फॉर द माइक्रोऑर्गेनिज्म टू ब्रीथ. A special type of bacteria called denitrification bacteria convert the nitrate oxide present in the soil into oxygen and nitrogen. The oxygen is utilized by the organism in the soil and the nitrogen is state free. This process is called denitrification. As a result, nitrogen is back to the atmosphere, and this process is done by the Pseudomonas and Clostridium, the name of the bacteria which are denitrification bacteria. So student, I hope you clearly understand this nitrogen fixation. Alright. So student, take your notebook and whenever you got the notes, then write down all the notes in your notebook, because this is the very important chapter, or in your book there is a no notes in a proper way. So make your notes and write down notes in your notebook. Alright student. So I hope you clearly understand this topic very well. Thank you.